In the second question, exercise 2.2, the first given A equal to, that is 1 kilogram meter squared by second squared equivalent to how much gram centimeter squared by second squared. So initially it's given 1 kilogram meter second. So this is the SI uniting system, kilogram meter second, mass, length, time. So this is SI system, and gram, centimeter and second. This is called CGS system. Gram for mass, centimeter for length, second for time. So how to convert? You take it. Kilogram. 1 kilogram can be written as 1000 gram. So 1000 means 10 power 3 gram. And meter squared. 1 meter we know 0.01 centimeter. Other than 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So we can write 10 power 2 centimeter, the whole squared, and divided by second squared. So totally we have here 10 power 2, the whole power 2, 10 power 4, 10 power 3, totally 10 power 7 total, and gram centimeter squared divided by second squared. So this equivalent is, this is 10 power 7 gram centimeter squared by second squared. Is it right? So this is SI uniting system to CGS system. Next question, 1 meter equal to how much light year? Ly. Ly means light year, that is light traveling in the 1 year. We know the speed of the light. 1 second, 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. 10 power 8 means 10 power 6 equal to, so கிட்டத்தட்ட பாத்தீங்கன்னா 3 lakh kilometer per second. So we have to convert into the light year, 1 meter. So light travels in 1 second 3 lakh kilometer. Then 1 year, 1 second into 60, 1 minute into 60, 1 hour. Okay, then 1 day for divided, multiplied by 24 and into 365, which will give the light traveling in the 1 year. So that is called light year, which is equal to 9.46 into 10 power 15 meter. Light 1 year la travel பண்ணக்கூடிய distance பாத்தீங்கன்னா 9.46 into 10 power 15 meter. This is called light year. So அப்போ 1 meter na எவ்வளோ in terms of light year la சொல்லணும். 1 light year equal to this value in meter. So 1 meter equal to, just you put here in denominator. So bring the left side this value. So 1 meter equal to, leave 1, remaining thing you just bring here. So 1 light year by this value. So which will give 1.05. So this is manually you have to calculate. For that just you round off, this is 9.5. So take 1 by 9.5. So how to calculate? So this is 1 by 9.5, which is equal to, take 10 by 95. So is this possible? No. So take the decimal point. So add the 0, 100 divided by 95, 1. Okay. So remaining will be 5. In 5, 95 pogma pogadu. Just you add the 50. No. So just put the 0 and add another 0, 500. In 500 how many 95s are there? 5. Okay. So we can write 0.105. So that's why we are writing here 1.05. It goes to 10 to the power minus 15. So rounding up we can write 10 to the power minus 16. 1.05 into 10 power minus 16 light year. Okay. So this is 1 meter. 1 meter equal to, so third one, C, 3 meter per second squared is equal to how much kilometer per hour squared. So SI unit meter per second squared. What is the unit of this? Velocity. Okay. We have to convert into kilometer per hour squared. We may convert CGS to SI unit, SI to CGS, no problem. Just listen. So here 3 meter per second squared converted to the kilometer per hour square. Meter to kilometer. So 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. So 1 meter equal to how much kilometer? 0.001 kilometer, which is mean 10 to the power minus 3 kilometer. So 3 into meter per second squared. So 1 meter equal to 10 power minus 3 kilometer, and divided by second squared. We have to convert into hour squared. In 1 hour 3600 seconds. In 1 hour, 1 hour equal to 3600 seconds. So 1 second equal to 1 by 3600 hour. Okay, so for instead of second we put 1 by 3600 the whole square into hour squared. So this is 3 into 10 power minus 3 divided by 1 by 3600 the whole square, taking directly to the numerator. The 3600 square taking directly to the numerator. So now simplify. 3 into 10 power minus 3 there, then 3600 the whole square. First split up into 36 square into 100 square. 36 square is 12996 and 100 square is 10 power 4. After that you unify the units, kilometer by hour squared, right in last. So combinedly you can write 3.9 into 10 power 4 kilometer by hour squared. So in this way we can convert. At the same time this is can be converted into meter per second squared. 1 kilometer is equal to 10 power 3 meter, 1 hour equal to 3600 second. So substitute those values, we can convert into written again, no problem. So next question, fourth one, D equal to 6.67 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter squared by kg squared, kilogram squared. So what is it? It is the value of gravitational constant. Okay, so this is given in Newton meter squared by kilogram squared. This should be converted into centimeter cube by second squared into gram. So for that we have to just convert this thing into fully SI uniting system. Newton is a not SI unit, sorry, Newton can be written as in base units. So everything should be written in the base unit. What are the base unit? Length, mass, time. For mass, kilogram, and length, meter. For time, second. So this is the base units. So Newton is unit of the force. Force can be written as mass into acceleration. For mass, kilogram. For acceleration, meter per second power minus 2. Meter by second square. So for instead of Newton, you write kilogram by meters squared instead of Newton. Then you write meter squared same, divided by kilogram squared. Now combine. So just that is a unity of system. So kilogram by kilogram power 2. If come to numerator, so kilogram power minus 2. So totally kilogram power minus 1. And meter squared, meter cube. Second power minus 2. Okay. So now we have to convert the required unit. Meter is converted into centimeter. So 1 meter equal to 10 power 2, 100 meter. So 10 power 2 centimeter, the whole power 3. And kilogram, 1000 gram. Okay, so 10 power 3 gram power minus 1. So second power minus 2. Just combine now. So 10 to the power 2 whole power 3, 10 power 6. 10 power 3 power minus 1, 10 power minus 3. Okay, so combinedly 10 to the power 6 and 10 to the power minus 3, 10 to the power plus 3 will come. So add with this one, 10 to the power minus 11 into 10 to the power plus 3, 10 to the power minus 8 only come. So this is the numerical. For units, combine centimeter cube and gram power minus 1, second power minus 2 can be written as divided by second squared into gram. Okay, so this is the required conversion. So simply you just start from the base units, kilogram, meter, second. So whatever the units given, you just convert into first SI uniting system, kilogram, meter, second. Then after convert required the given expected uniting system. So in this way we can convert the one system of units to another system of units. Okay students.